If your Cheburashka lures, bullets, and tungsten weights are always getting mixed up or clinking around in your pockets, it's time to step up to a grown-up storage solution. I want to show you a cheap but very useful item for fishing on the go. It's a foldable, portable weight box. I used to carry everything in huge boxes that took up half my backpack. Now I've switched to this format. Take a look. It opens into two parts with plenty of compartments inside. The plastic is sturdy, doesn't smell like cheap Chinese plastic, and the latches work smoothly. The most important thing is safety. Even if you drop it open in the grass, only the contents of a single open compartment will spill out. For tungsten weights, which cost a fortune these days, this is absolutely crucial. I'll leave a link to a trusted seller below the video. This box is designed specifically for those who value every minute on the fishing trip and don't want to waste time searching for the right weight. Key features you'll love. Sealed compartments. Each compartment closes with a tight, individual lid. Even if the box falls, 0.2 gram weights won't get mixed up. Impact-resistant plastic. It doesn't crack in the cold or become cloudy over time. You can always see the contents without opening the box. Pocket-sized. Its slim profile lets you carry it even in a shirt pocket. Perfect for light tackle fishing on the go.